Good morning, adventure seekers and car show lovers. Got a new one, Orcutt Donut Derelicts for Skyliner, Fairlane 500. What a beauty of a ride. Gentleman went all the way to Missouri to pick this one up. Score, that's for sure. This one, sweet looking ride. Beautiful color. Little top down here soon for us, I bet. Show us the inner workings. What a prime example of a very rare car. Gotta like that. Styling. Right. Tune. More Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Porsche over here. I like that. It's green. Porsche action. Right. Our lovers, don't forget, Waller Park. Noon to 5 today. Nice looking ride. Yes, Porsche action. Volkswagen 1500 pickup truck. Like that. Your rare machines. Right, if you're a Volkswagen lover, make sure you check out Hoey Park. Get Volkswagens from all over the state showing up at that place. Good looking. Right. Little convertible action. Red and black. Color combo. It's the Miata. Fun little ride. Good looking example of it too. Some tires. It looks good. All right, car lovers. One of Clark and Bradley every Sunday morning. It'll be a little light today. A lot of people will be over at Waller Park. Bring what you got. 10 o'clock. Gather up these prizes that people donate. Give them away. Bring what you got. Free to enter. All right, Ray and I put it together. Thank you to them. Hey, hey, don't step on that. Gotta watch where I'm walking. I just don't want to walk into this beautiful ride right here. Do not touch. Itis 37 business coupe. That's right. Itis pride and joy. Built from the ground up. Your husband Ray. Ray does not mess around when he builds a car from the ground up. Itis 37 business coupe. Take the leftover paint. Stuff a nice ride here as well. Camaro action. Right. See what else we got going on around here today. Ford 31 sedan. Love the colors on this thing. Etching on the window sets it off. Interior. And for something totally different, get yourself a little gasser. The early times. Street racing early times. I like that. In November. Old school. Holly, nothing but the bare necessities to get you there fast. Right. Showing off the inner workings of the Skyliner. Man, is this a camper? Is this a car? We don't know.
The boat.
That's right. You can have the kitchen in the trunk, and you got yourself sleep in the back seat. Wow, this car is huge, man. It's like rocket technology in 1958. All right, adventure seekers, got the pre-runner team out here. Man, looks like fun. Too bad most of the cool places are closed. But they'll open up eventually. Get some rock front rides, maybe some Miranda pine rides. Take these out to Maricopa, wherever you can sling some dirt. Looks like fun. Got the road to Soda Lake. That's definitely worth doing with these things. Looking good. That's the blue. Styling. Nice stance. Nice modifications. Good. looking off-road vehicles. Nice. The Beast, the F-250 Power Stroke Diesel. Nice rims and tires. Awesome. Get it done with this thing. For style, get some real work out of it at the same time. Right, 59 Ford F100. So this one's the north-south run. Beauty, built from the ground up. All kinds of cool details on this thing. Keeps it looking spotless too. Nice old Ford. Look at that, 1939. Still looking fine. Can't go wrong with that 39. The GTO. Get you where you want to go with the GTO. We're good. Right. Getting a pretty good turnout after all. Adventure seekers, car lovers. Bel Air action here. Black and white. Looking good. Ford Mustang. Try to squeeze in here. Decent view. That Bel Air. Quite the restoration. Round up. So we got over here El Camino. He's done a great job on this El Camino. Beauty. Sounds mean too when it rumbles in. Nice. Nice. Like that. Headers keeping it spotless too. Alright. Alright, Corvette LS2. Black on black Corvette. Good. U.S. Air Force says, thank you for your service. Looking back. Then of course, show-winning Mad Max. Cannot go wrong with the Mad Max. Just take everything you can find in your garage, weld it together, and you will have a Mad Max. Put the DeSoto body, put it on a four-wheel drive truck frame, and get her done. Get her done. Little 150 Vespa. Like the machine. 2001. Still cruising it. But another adventure machine for sale. That's what you need. Get yourself a little Johnson. 15. 2,500 bucks. For you. Give me a call. Could be yours. Catch some fish with this beast. Alright, Chevy 3100. Beautiful truck. Restoration on this is immaculate. Interior, beautiful. Check out the bed. Furniture quality, man. Furniture quality. Look at that. Always adventure rides. Little Bob, 2015. Slingshot SL. Gonna get you where you want to go in style and in a hurry if need be. Right, F100 Ford. I don't think I saw this at the north-south run. It's a winner. Looking ride. Love it or leave it. America. Right. What freedom's all about. Looking for it. And the little amigo Isuzu action. Uh-oh, we've got the guard dog. The guard dog is out. Don't touch my little amigo. Hey, hydraulic action. Seems it's even been in magazines. All right, amigos. I'll leave you alone. Barn Find Nova SS. Wonder if this thing has 1,000 miles yet. We'll have to check with the proud owner. Does it have 1,000 miles yet?
1,000, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
yo, you went over 1,000.
1,080, yeah. Yeah, I changed the oil, but now I still have to pop the valve covers and adjust the lifters.
Only 1,000 miles and you're already doing maintenance on it.
Solid lift cam.
You're baby in this
I gotta stay on
thing.
that.
Well, this thing's worthy of being babied.
Oh yeah, I had it out yesterday. It was clean, but like I said,
Original.
the only time it gets clean is when it comes up here.
1,080 miles.
It's just sitting in storage, locked up.
Man, what a beautiful ride. That's such a fun find. I bet you were jazzed when you got it. Old school Studebaker action. Lou's bringing it out. I love that back window design. Nice lines on this old Studi. Definite cruiser. Champion. Happily named. Yes, the vets are out. Love that yellow, red pinstriping. Definitely a nice color choice. A good old Vetster. Never go wrong with a vet. As long as you're still young enough to get in and out of the thing. Good looking GT 350. Mustang action. At its finest. 289 cubic inches of meanness. You assume it would have a 350 in it though. By the name, I don't know about that. Z28 action. Looks like a fun little Camaro. Done up that engine right, hasn't he? Man, it looks real nice. Could eat off that thing, dude. That's keeping it looking sweet. Even the exhaust is looking cherried out. Z28, nice orange too. Get her done right there. Now for something a little totally different. Got the carburetor. Oh, check out that old school technology. Still running. It's 115 years now. You're not messing around with this guy. Oh yeah, 1915 Model T Touring. I like that. Can't go wrong. Old school, cool. Station wagon action, Bel Air, station wagon time. Malibu, this is, what's that blue? The Bel Air, orange and cream color, nice. 1956. Love the Chevy truck, always a winner. Liking that. Step side action. Put up the bed nicely.
A long time before that, and
check out the engine in this 39.
Barely even breathe.
Shoehorn that engine in there, man.
I had to drive it.
Quite the engine for 1939.
In there, I rolled the windows down.
Right. Myers, Banks, Mini, the Toad. I love the design of this thing. It's like nothing but pure fun. Small enough to get the job done and get you where you want to go.
So there should be
big enough for two people.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, check out the original Ford action. 100 F100 patina machine. It's a real work out of this one. 1966 GTO. Man, that's nice one. 6.5 liter. Dude, get with it. Thing probably screams down the street. God, I like that. That's a red pinstripe. Beautiful car. Definitely get the job done. Little BMW convertible rolling in. That's a fun little machine too. Talk about fun. Good looking Corvette. Oh man, this color just pops. Definitely need it. Wow. Somebody has good choice. That thing's beautiful, man.
I'll have to charge you for that.
They'll have to charge. I know. Yeah, just to look at this one.
Just to make the payment, you gotta charge you.
Dang. Yeah, that's one beautiful ride. How's it going? Oh, you need some rollerblades for these two, huh?
Oh, exactly.
They'll get you up to 45 miles an hour easy.
Easily.
BMW Z4
There you go,
M40i. Beautiful little convertible, man. That's definitely a machine worth having. Dude. Wow. Brand spanking new.
It's a year old.
Year old? Goes.
25, but it's a year old.
Wow. Nice. Subaru street racing machines. Fox and Canyon roadmobiles. Youngsters with their street racing radical machines. Harris grade will do it. Yeah, I did Harris grade with a slingshot Friday. That was fun. Didn't have any cars I had to wait for. That's what was nice.
Yeah.
Check out Rambler American. Restored from the ground up as well. Gotta love that pink. Definitely get the job done. The Rambler. The Cuda. Gotta love that Cuda. Got a good little close up of the Cuda. Beautiful color combination. Mopar action. Always a showstopper. Fuel injection modifications. This thing gets it done. Love the Cuda. Oh, beauty of a ride coming in. Looking good. Seriously, nice and polished. Some bright yellow action there. Cruising on in. Check out the new toy, or the old toy actually. Man, that thing, historic vehicle MG convertible action. Check it out. Dual carb action. Old school MG.
2 weeks over there, but her daughter's got a house in Puerto Rico.
Ah, so what year was this one?
This is a 53.
A 53. Hey, caramba. No wonder it looks so cool.
Yeah, and then they're planning on.
Nice.
It's dirty. I should have washed it.
Ah, that's fine. She's still a beauty. Getting the job done. 53 MG.